Whoa.
There's a lot happening.
Feels like
Can you tell
hands
Shiatsu?
of God.
Just trust it. Let her go all the way. Oh, God, I hate that.
No, that's actually like a real massage.
Hey, sweaty gamers. Yeah, you. I know that sometimes when you're on those long gaming sessions, you might get cold, you might get hot, you might feel like you need a little massage. We got a chair that does that.
Especially also if you work from your setup. AutoFull sponsored this video to show you guys, as gamers or work from home professionals, you need a really awesome gaming and productivity chair that, well, maybe massages your back, gives you ventilation, heats your cushion, your tush. It heats up the tush. We're gonna keep all that in there. And they sponsored this video for us to unbox this chair. Specifically, this is the M6 Ultra 2.0 Plus. The M6 Ultra Plus 2.0. It's one of those. Put those right here. But AutoFull sponsored this video not because we're chair professionals, because we would have some fun putting this chair together so you guys can see its cool features. We're gonna test it out live and you guys at home can determine if this is the chair for you. Because if you're buying a chair, it's an investment for your health. You gotta focus on your ergonomics. You want your chair to be comfortable, especially if you're gaming or working from your desk. Let's not waste more time. Let's unbox this chair and go over the main features you should know about.
All right, so let's go ahead and get the big thing out of the room. The price of this chair, $899. But breaking news, they are running a code for Toasty Bros viewers that makes the chair $799 from August 19th to August 30th. Before you freak out, keep in mind, there's a lot of people that spend thousands on a chair that it's just a chair. It doesn't do anything else. This one actually has all those crazy features that we said.
And some of those features, including ventilation heating that we talked about, dynamic lumbar support. We also have a removable battery, which we did do a video on the Ultra 2.0 Non-Plus version in a obscure gaming setup we built. Go watch that video if you want to. That one had a massaging feature per se, but it was more like a pulsing massaging feature, and also it requires you to get some sort of external battery where you're plugged up to a wall to work. This one alleviates those two things, gives you proper massaging. Specifically, I have the pronunciation guide up here. Specifically, shiatsu massaging. So we have a really cool massage feature. We'll be testing and having people around the office give a go, but we figured the best way to demo a chair is show you guys the unboxing experience and how it gets put together.
All right, and speaking of how it gets put together, we love to see this. Nice, giant step-by-step with pictures, good pictures too. I'm so glad that we didn't open this chair up into like a fat manual that's in like 20 different languages. Just give us pictures. We don't even need English.
And it's great because Jackson, we should probably just leave him to do this, you know?
No way.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, this has been, all right, Jonah?
Have fun, buddy.
We're just kidding. We're gonna build this chair.
All right, let's see what all we get inside the box here. It's a pretty good box. It's nice and put together. Doesn't look too intimidating so far. All right, so this looks like the leg support, the leg rest.
So it has a leg rest. Those are always cool to have because when you're leaning back in your chair and you're full leaning back, maybe you're taking a little nappy nap, having this is very nice to keep your legs raised up looking nice.
It increases the setup tenfold. Oh, God, I hate that. There it is.
And I think we mentioned this does support large and tall, or big and tall individuals, meaning the max weight supported is up to 330 pounds, and it recommends people 6'4" or smaller to use this chair. So if you're somebody who has trouble finding a chair that you can fit into, which does happen, this one will definitely accommodate that.
What is this?
This is the part.
Oh, these are the legs.
Oh, the legs.
Legs.
What we like to do with building chairs is obviously get everything out in an area where we can visibly see everything, and then we'll start following the instructions.
Dude, look at the size of this. This is the seat cushion, Matt. This isn't the back.
Are we sure that's big enough for Jonah? Jonah's got a caboose on him, guys.
We got a little control panel here on the side. Ooh, nice rubber buttons.
The big box here. And then here comes the arm rest, which has multiple points of actuation, adjustment. And then here is the base. He's going to study that, and then he'll have to put it, he won't even need to see it again. Don't judge a book by its cover, guys. AutoFull does have a 3-year warranty with all their chairs, by the way. So anything you have, if you have any damage that is outside of the manufacturing window or anything like that, you can reach out to them for support. So if you're spending a good amount of money on a chair, you want to have a decent warranty to back it up.
All right, so I'm opening the legs right now because step one, putting the legs together.
Let's do it. Piece number 1.
All right, let's go ahead and start popping these in. Oh. All right, that looks pretty good. Oh, the next step is to put the wheels on. Oh. And now Jonah can sit on it.
Oh yeah.
All right, step number 3 is we're putting on the connecting piece.
Look, the bolts are already in this one.
guy?
And then there should be the round piece to go on after.
So here is the aesthetic cover.
Aesthetic AF. All right, number 4. It looks like we're gonna get ready to put the base on. Dude, this one, there's no way you can undo this one.
Here,
Let me see it. Oh my God, is he doing it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Remember that grip strength?
Stronger than mine.
Hey, we're ready to put this on now. So, editor, play that song Jackson doesn't like.
Okay, next up, so we got the base on.
Oh, we missed something back in that step. What is that?
Is these things. Now, there was an important thing where it said to put this the right way. I'm gonna pull this out. It's right here. Oh, it says, look, Matt, front.
I kind of want a white monster, but I don't know if my liver can handle it.
All the ones from the box?
Yeah, I came in on Saturday. I had a few.
A few? Yeah.
Cheese, look, check it. Bang. And then when it goes back.
We're putting it on the base.
Ooh.
Yeah, we still got more to do because there's some tech in this.
Yeah, home stretch is crazy. We're just getting started, Jonah.
Nice.
Let me go ahead and get some a little adjustment on. How
So you can do this.
You push in.
All right, back time. Big back, big back, big back, big back. So obviously with traditional gaming chairs, ergonomics, normally not something they're focused on. They really just have a very basic form factor and they're not super comfy long term. But with this one, this is their dynamic backrest that actually auto adjusts as you move in the chair. So the idea is the lumbar follows you based on where you're at in the chair, whether you're leaning back a little bit forward, and it keeps you in an ergonomic position while also not feeling like you have to be locked into one set location.
All right, so I think now we probably have to put those plastic covers on. One of the little Phillips, the black Phillips ones.
Is there another one? So this is a wall plug that you can also put, let's rotate it
Ooh, is
over
it
here.
like how does it go?
I think it's a magnetic one. Yeah, it's a little magnetic one. Should we have plugged in. This is how you would charge the battery. Just gonna pull this out. Let's take our battery.
Already on it.
It only goes in one way. Lock it in.
What's
And I
happening?
hear motorized functionality.
happening?
Is it giving you massage?
Okay, I'm on heater now. I don't want to heat.
Okay.
I don't want to heat up dinner for Jonah yet.
Is that the heater or the air?
That's the air.
Okay. Does it feel like it's cooling off your air?
Yeah, you can feel it. Okay. Oh, I see the massage. It's two hands.
All right, we gotta see. So it'll give you
Yeah,
different
okay,
points.
so I think it's just speeds. So,
Yes.
all right, I'm gonna let it go through. Right now, we're hitting the lower lumbar in like a circular motion. We're going in and out, going in and out. The massage is pretty nice. I'm gonna let Matt step in and feel it. It's still on.
This is
Oh yeah. Throw on the vibrate real quick. I don't know who that's for.
So I know the selling point for this is kind of you're sitting in a chair for a long period of time working and you just don't want to be stagnant. You want to have some sort of movement, the blood flow aspect of it. It kind of adds a little vibration to it.
Hit it and then just trust it. Just trust it. Let her go all the way.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, legs out, legs out.
All right, lift up. All right, there you go.
Oh, there's a lot happening. But honestly, this thing having the massage feature, really nice. For someone who works from your desk all day, you work from home, or you have an office environment, I will say we're making jokes about all the noises. There's a lot of different noises happening here.
It's not very loud. It's
not very loud.
We're in a quiet room.
We're in a very quiet room, so you just hear those vibrations. Obviously, if you're gaming and you have your headset on and stuff, you won't really notice anything. Having that actual massage feature, I pause. Stop. There's so many different use cases for a chair like this. It has that like gaming chair look that people want, but it does not sacrifice in terms of ergonomics. This auto adjust lumbar support as well feels pretty nice because if we go all the way back up, we're kind of just sitting there in the chair. I like the support it gives you, and it's a big chair, so there's like a lot of room. If I'm just sitting like this, I can move out these arms all the way around. I could make it, you could make like a table.
A dinner table.
Yo, so you can put like a little tray right
and
here.
then you never have to leave your AutoFull
and then you go,
gaming chair.
num, num, num. AutoFull added to the marketing material. I just found the dinner tray option. Add like a table you can put
Dude,
on the armrest.
The aftermarket built-in toilet, so you never have to get up.
Or they can go all the way out like this.
Holy crap.
Full rotation. No, I really like this. Jonah, I think you need to try it. You need to get massaged.
I will say the ventilated seats are they feel really good. And you have 3 adjustments for them as well, so you can pick between or how much air you want moving through it. First impressions, the lumbar support. You can kind of see it when I'm moving around like this, but as you move back and forth, it kind of like cradles your back.
Oh, you can adjust it.
And you can adjust it too, so you can pull it up.
Oh, no, okay, it is. Ooh.
Wow. So you may have to adjust for that lumbar a little bit, but I will say that lumbar is crazy adjustable.
You know what you got to put on now, Jonah?
The massage.
It's time.
Do the honors, sir. My little T-Rex arms aren't long enough. Whoa. Ooh. No, that's actually like a real massage. That is actually really impressive. It feels like
Can you tell
the hands
it's
of
shiatsu?
God, like cradling your lower back.
Can you tell it's shiatsu?
They're there.
Everything's gonna be okay,
You've had a
Jonah.
long day, Jonah. You put up with a lot of stuff.
Thought, dude.
I didn't expect it to be that strong.
Oh my goodness, that looks scary.
That's what I'm saying. You can
Whoa.
actually see it. And then you have 3 adjustments for the intensity on that too. We need
God.
to get Zach in here.
Jonah was the last one in the chair.
What the
How's that new chair smell?
Dude, Jonah was in that chair buttoning. How is it?
It feels nice. I could really like this. As far as gremlin maxing goes,
Ooh, he can just fit it. He can just fit it.
dude, the crisscross is fully in.
Here, let's get this back up. Let's test it.
And then if you want to hit like a real gremlin in game,
There's no way you do that. I refuse to believe it.
sometimes I sit like this.
No.
All right, so we had our resident Gremlin gamer test that out. You got his seal of approval. But this
height
headrest, we noticed we didn't touch. What's it do?
Yeah, look, height. You can go out, in.
Nice. So very adjustable headrest. I like that. Very nice for your naps, and also just neck support, head support. Right. Oh, that's really nice right here.
Yeah.
Kind of like a memory foam material. Very soft, responsive.
I like their embroidered logo. It actually looks good. It's actually like stitched in. It's a nice gold look in the black chair. Pretty sick.
This was a pretty simple build. I mean, for us, it's never a simple build, but in terms of the instructions and everything, it just worked. Everything went together just right. And the massage feature, honestly, is what makes this chair, in my opinion, especially compared to the non-plus version. You could get like the vibration feature, but if you want like a true like massage chair, you're basically getting it in your gaming chair with battery powered and the ability to plug up against the wall and ergonomics that you normally don't see in a gaming chair. So yes, you are spending a pretty penny on this chair, but if you use your desk a lot and you invest in your sitting space a lot, this is definitely an investment that could be worth it for you.
So after we actually fully unbox this chair, you gotta think, for 900 bucks, you're getting a battery powered chair that can do heating, cooling, vibration, and massage, and it has every adjustment point you could ever want with leg support. So we gotta say, overall, you're normally not going to get that for as cheap of a price.
So if you want to learn more about this chair, check the link down below. It's a fill link and it will help us out. Let us know what you think of this chair. Again, the price point is expensive. It's $900, but we feel like all the features are getting packed into it. If you are going to invest in a chair, especially if you want a gaming form factor with some cool extra features you normally don't see, we definitely think this chair has all those checked off.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye.
So guys, this chair and Zach at PC Bros/Toaster Bros is going to be for sale at PCBros.tech.
PC Bros, if you guys want to buy peripherals, gaming chairs, gaming desktops, whatever, Joe's actually going to walk out the door right now. Yeah, let's put them up front real quick.
We're testing the wheels out.
Here we go.
We're selling gaming desks, gaming people.
And gamers.
God, dude, the chair's so wide. I don't know if I can squit the...
So there it is, it's doing it.
Squit?
Because the armrests are straight. I got you.
Use code Toaster Bros on checkout, you will save 3% of your purchase. But he's not discounted though, he's expensive. See you guys later, goodbye.